Hello everyone, thanks for joining us in this ZOOMLINE Machinery RAP Asphalt Mixing Plant introductory video. Let's start by understanding what RAP is. RAP stands for Recycled Asphalt Pavement. It is a process where we reuse old material from the old roads and old pavements to make new asphalt mixtures. By crushing the old material and mixing it with the new material, we can create an environmentally friendly and cost-effective asphalt mixtures. Now, let's talk about what can this RAP asphalt mixing plant do. It has the capacity to produce 160 tons per hour of asphalt mixtures using the raw asphalt material and 80 tons per hour of asphalt material using the RAP material. We can achieve an impressive utilization rate of RAP material, ranging from 30% to 50%. You may be concerned about the exhaust gas generated in the heating process. In this video, we will show you our exhaust gas treatment device, including the activated carbon filtration system. Additionally, our burner is designed to recover the exhaust gas, ensuring that we will meet the environmental requirements. Well guys, enjoy the video.
It employs three types aggregated feeders, namely virgin raw material feeders, cold RAP feeders, and hot RAP feeders. The virgin asphalt material goes through a series of steps. It's heated in the dryer, screened in a evaporation screen, weighed, and then sent to the mixer. The hot recycled asphalt materials are heated in RAP dryer, stored, weighed, and then headed to the mixer. Cold recycled asphalt materials are directly headed to the mixer. Finally, all the materials from these feeders are combined in a mixer to create the final asphalt mixtures. Our modern RAP asphalt plants incorporate advanced automation and control systems to enhance operational efficiency, accuracy, and safety. These systems utilize programmable logic controllers, human-machine interfaces, and sophisticated software to monitor and control various plant processes, optimize production parameters, and provide real-time data for analysis and optimization. At ZOOMLINE, we are committed to consistently delivering superior quality to our valued customers. ZOOMLINE will always prioritize quality as we strive to exceed your expectations and meet your asphalt plant needs. By using recycled asphalt materials, RAP asphalt plants offer several benefits, including reduced environmental impact by reducing the need for virgin asphalt materials, cost savings by reusing existing materials, and improved sustainability in road construction and maintenance.